In the heart of 18th century Europe, a horticultural revolution was quietly unfolding. The year was 1769, a period where the world was starting to see the dawn of modern agricultural sciences. And at the center of this transformation was an unassuming plot of land in London. This plot, however, was like no other. It was to become the stage for the first modern plant nursery. An innovation that would leave roots not only in soil but in history itself. Imagine a time when botanical gardens were the only structured way to cultivate and study plants. In this era, Sir Joseph Banks, a fervent botanist and explorer, sought to change how the world perceived and interacted with plants. On the lands of Fulham, London, he envisioned a nursery that could do more than just grow plants for display. His dream was to cultivate an ecological haven dedicated to the study, growth, and distribution of plants, one that could support expanding botanic knowledge globally. The Fulham Nursery began modestly but with ambition embedded in every seed sown. Sir Joseph, fresh from his voyage aboard the HMS Endeavour with Captain James Cook, was inspired by the diverse flora of the world. He saw the nursery as a gateway for introducing exotic plant species to Europe, which were collected throughout his voyages, transforming them into cultivated staples. Imagine the meticulous planning behind this nursery. Rows and rows of saplings and seeds from all corners of the earth were nurtured here. From the towering tree ferns of New Zealand to the lush pepper plants of the Caribbean. The early days of the Fulham Nursery were a blend of organization and experimentation. Consider how each plant required a unique kind of care, specific soils, precise moisture levels, and personalized pruning techniques, presenting a challenge that Banks and his team embraced wholeheartedly. The significance of this nursery went beyond plants. It became a beacon for knowledge exchange, drawing botanists and scientists from across the continent. Through the introduction of scientific methods and structured documentation, the nursery set the standard for future plant nurseries globally. These were formative years in the cultivation sector, and systems of plant propagation, grafting, and botanical illustrations all found a new home within the confines of this thriving nursery. This newfound system enabled widespread accessibility to plant varieties, allowing common people, not just aristocrats, to appreciate the joys of gardening. The economic and social implications of this were immense. Suddenly, the idea of a vibrant personal garden was not just a privilege of the rich but a possibility for the emerging middle class, instigating a cultural shift toward horticulture across Britain and beyond. As the legacy of Sir Joseph Banks and his nursery continued to grow, so did the seeds of modern horticulture. The impact of the Fulham Nursery lives on today, a testament to a pioneering spirit of innovation. The structures and systems devised centuries ago in that serene London plot were the underpinnings of what we today understand as plant nurseries, places of conservation, education, and inspiration. So next time you visit a garden center, consider the vast history and vision behind such a seemingly simple operation. Without the pioneering efforts from that small yet ingenious plot of land, where would our understanding and enjoyment of plant life be today? Reflect on this. Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you've enjoyed our journey through history, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories from the past.